Okay, so this is a quick ServiceNow AI search tutorial where I'm going to show you how to tune AI search for your specific needs. So let's just get right into it. The first thing we need to do is actually go to the search preview. So we're going to go to all and then type in search preview. And then right here, you're going to click that and you're going to come to this page right here. And where we want to go is just go over here and click the Service Portal default search application. Okay, so this is where we're going to be. And this is essentially your search preview feature of AI search. You can type in stuff over here. So for instance, you can type in like iPhone and then click search and you'll see a bunch of information that it basically gathered. And you can see this is things related to, for instance, all this is knowledge base, this is catalog items. So you get a really good global overview of everything in your instance that you can search and find information on. Now, on the right-hand side here, you'll notice a few tabs that give you a little bit more insight into in terms of your search. So over here, data kind of gives you report and whether any result improvements, rules, or intents were triggered as a result of your search. Alerts are basically display alerts. For instance, like let's say when the time taken to retrieve a result exceeds like a particular amount, this alert will let you know. Over here, feedback. This can be like display information about stop words that maybe have been used or like typos. It gives you a little more details again. This gives you basically governance over your search. You can think of it that way. So, and there's always see things like context. This kind of gives you the ability to override information manually. So you can click on it and you see what this kind of looks like. And a whole bunch of other things which I don't really want to go into, but I just want to show you. And then user here, you can actually do impersonation of the user and search as another user and have access to it. Because, as you know that, you can actually set some ACLs and stuff and control who can see what. So as you can see, I typed in iPhone and I was able to sync to see. But what we really want to do here actually is see if we can utilize some kind of like an acronym where it typically may not be something that AI search would be able to understand. So for instance, let's say something like out of office, okay? And that would be like OOO, right? And maybe you're using that a lot internally and you want to search everything that you have for this. Maybe you're looking for something and you know that this was mentioned in it. So you, at this point right now, if you type that in, click search, you're not going to get anything. And so this is what we want to do right now. We want to configure AI search so that it can recognize this and have some meaning behind it. So you can go and search and give you some results back. Okay. So that's really the goal here. Okay. So in order to do that, we need to go into search profiles. So we're going to go to all and then go to search profiles right here. And I will suggest to favorite these so that it's easy to always come back to. We're going to go to search profiles and we are going to go to the service portal default search profile over here. Okay, so once you get here, then you're going to scroll down to configuration and then over on the synonyms, you're going to see this and you're going to click on create and link. Over here, you're going to type in service portal synonyms and click on submit. Okay. And then come down here and you're going to click on new. And for the term, we're going to put OOO and payload is going to be out of office. And then that's everything pretty much. You can click submit. And then we're going to click on publish. And then over here, we're going to also click on publish as well. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go back to our search preview. And now, if I type in OOO, as you can see, we've combined what this means to out of office, and now we're seeing some results come back in terms of where the term out of office was mentioned. And this is a very powerful feature because, you might have a lot of internal acronyms and stuff that or words that you might be using that may not necessarily make sense with a basic search profile, but once you kind of configure it, then you can start searching, making it easier for everyone to find the things that they need to.